Function or not a function? That is the question. When determining if something is a function or not, you need to look at the input and output, the domain and range. Each input has exactly one output, meaning there can only be one x. Let's look at what this means for ordered pairs. If you look at these ordered pairs, every x value that I circled is different. There is nothing repeating. That means that is a function. If you look in this example, looking at the x values, you can see -1 was repeated. That means this is not a function. What does this mean for a table? Well, looking at a table, we need to look at the x values. In this table, all the x values are different, so that means this table represents a function. In this table, you can see that 3 has been repeated. So that means this table, not a function. When determining if a graph is a function or not, we can use something called the line test. Every test we make on a graph, we should only hit the graph one time. Here's test 1. When I drew a vertical line, I only hit my graph one time. Testing my graph in another spot, on this test, I only hit the graph one time. That means this graph is a function. Let's look at this graph. Drawing a vertical line, test number 1, I hit the graph in 2 spots. 1, 2. If I do a second test on this graph, you can see that I hit again at 1, 2 spots. That means this graph, not a function. Mapping diagrams. Mapping diagrams represent ordered pairs. The first bubble represents my x values, the second bubble represents my y values. So this really represents the ordered pairs 7, 2. You see how the arrow is pointing at the 2? That's 7, 2 as an ordered pair. The next one is 10, 2. The arrow is pointing at the 2, so my x is 10 and my y is 2. The next one is 13, 3. I start at 13 for my x and it's pointing at the 3 for my y. So now we have a list of ordered pairs. Well, as you can see, all of the x values are different, meaning it is a function. Looking at this mapping diagram, I'm going to list out the ordered pairs again. My first ordered pair is 1, 2. As you can see, we have 1, 2. My next ordered pair is 3, 3. Then my next ordered pair is 5, 4. And my last ordered pair starts at 5 and goes to 5. So now we have a list of ordered pairs again. So looking at this list of ordered pairs, I notice that 5 has been repeated twice for my x value. That means this is not a function.